Huawei will soon announce new smartphones within the high-end Mate series. And while the Mate 40 is for certain, there's another smartphone we have seen speculations and leaks for, and that's the folding Huawei Mate X2 5G. According to earlier rumors, this is going to be an inward folding smartphone with a large cover screen featuring a dual hole punch camera. This is going to be very similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 in design. And while we wait for an official reveal by Huawei, we can take a good look at what could be the Mate X2 5G's final design, thanks to concept creator and Let's Go Digital for creating this beautiful concept video. If we talk about the design, unlike Huawei's two previous foldable models, the Mate X and Mate XS, the new model appears to fold inwards, so now the screen is not exposed to damages as much. And there's also an extra cover display placed on the outside similar to the Galaxy Fold and Z Fold 2. However, the changes are not just visual, the internals have also been improved. The Mate X2 5G's leaks have suggested a similar 120Hz folding display at a size of 8.03 inches with 2480 by 2220 pixel resolution, and it will be made by Samsung and BOE. For reference, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a 7.6-inch inward folding screen. When it comes to cover screen, some believe that it only grows to a size of 4.5 inches. However, the Fold's 4.6-inch cover display was perceived as too small by many users, so there's a good chance that Huawei will follow the example of Z Fold 2 and will apply a larger cover screen, as can also be seen on the patent images. The cover screen is equipped with a dual selfie camera similar to double hole punch camera in the Huawei P40 series launched earlier this year, and will most likely be used in the Mate 40 series expected later this month. The fingerprint sensor is implemented on the side similar to the Z Fold 2. The camera situation on the Huawei Mate X2 5G is looking impressive. There will be a 40 megapixel main camera coupled with a 40 megapixel ultra wide one, along with a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom capabilities. The selfie hole punch camera are said to be either 32 megapixels or 16 megapixels. Interestingly enough, no camera is visible when you open the smartphone completely, so it looks like they have opted not to include a camera on the inner screen, and I really like it. However, if you want to make video calls, you have to rely on the smaller cover display. As a result, it is not possible as with Samsung's Flex mode to make a video call and also run other applications such as your email or the web browser. Furthermore, many assume that the new Mate foldable phone will be powered by Kirin 9000 series processor. However, due to the ongoing problems with US, Huawei would run into problems. There would not be enough chips available, which would cause delay in launch. That brings us to the next question: when it will launch? Currently, Huawei is focused on its Huawei Mate 40 series announcement planned for October 22nd. It looks like Huawei's new foldable phone may be announced around February 2021, exactly 2 years after the release of the Mate X, but nothing can be said for sure. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, then hit like and subscribe, and hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.